Friends, myself is Ashok Pise, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Dada Patel Mahavidyalaya, Karjar, Dist, Ahmednagar, affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. Today, we are going to see the new topic, alkenes. In this alkene, we have to discuss the some points such as introduction, isomerism in alkenes, geometrical isomers, conditions for geometrical isomerism, IUPAC nomenclature system, and physical properties of alkenes. First part is introduction. Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbon. The general formula of alkene is CnS2n. N is a number of carbon atoms. It contains less number of hydrogens as compared to alkanes. Alkanes are not occur in petroleum, and these are occurs by cracking of alkanes. It contains the carbon-carbon double bond as a functional group. It shows the homologous series because each member differs with its adjacent member by CS2 group, and therefore alkene shows the homologous series. The second point is isomerism in alkenes. The first member of alkene is ethylene. It shows only one isomer. Propylene iso shows the only one isomer, but butylene shows the four different types of isomers. The first isomer is 1-butylene, second isomer is isobutylene, third isomer is cis-2-butene, and fourth isomer is trans-2-butene. All these isomers are hydrogenated to form the two products. First, 1-butane is hydrogenated to form the N-butane. Isobutylene undergo hydrogenated to form isobutane. Cis and trans, these two compounds undergo hydrogenation to form N-butane, and therefore there are four isomers of butylenes. The next point is geometrical isomerism. First, we have to discuss what is the geometrical isomerism. The hindered or restricted rotation about the carbon-carbon double bond gives rise to special type of isomer. It's called as isomers, and the phenomenon is known as isomerism. There are two types of geometrical isomers. First is cis isomer and second one is a trans isomer. The cis isomer, the two similar groups are present on the same side of the carbon-carbon double bond is called as cis isomer, and if the two similar groups are present on the opposite side of the carbon-carbon double bond is called as trans isomers, and therefore the butene shows two isomers. First is cis-2-butene and second one is a trans-2-butene. Conditions for geometrical isomers. It must contain carbon-carbon double bond in the molecule. This is first condition for geometrical isomerism. Second condition, each carbon contains two dissimilar atoms linked to the carbon bonded carbon atoms. For example, the geometrical isomers, each carbon contains two similar groups. Here, this carbon contains two dissimilar groups. This also contains two similar groups. This also contains two dissimilar groups. This also contains two dissimilar groups, and this also contains this dissimilar groups, and therefore this shows the geometrical isomers. Now here these are the similar groups. AA is similar, and therefore this carbon shows the similar types of groups, and therefore these type of example do not show the geometrical isomers. Now, next point is IUPAC nomenclature system. In International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry is used for nomenclature of organic compounds. First rule is select the longest continuous carbon chain that contains carbon-carbon double bond. This is the longest continuous chain. This is the longest continuous chain contains 6 atoms. And this is the first rule, that is select the longest continuous carbon chain that contains the carbon-carbon double bond. Second rule, organic compounds is named as by changing the N of corresponding alkane by ene, and therefore here 8 carbon atoms are there, therefore this is octane. Third rule, number the carbon chain of the parent compound starting with the end nearer to the double bond. Use the smaller of the two numbers on the double bonded carbon to indicate the position of the double bond and place this number in front of the alkene name. Let us consider this example. This is the end of this carbon contain carbon-carbon double bond. Now this is 8 carbon chain. Now first rule is that select the longest continuous chain, and therefore this is a side substituent attached to middle carbon atom, and therefore you have to start the numbering from this or beginning number here, that is 1. Let us consider this example. Number started from this carbon atom, that is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 1 octane because at the one end carbon-carbon double bond is present and number is started from that end which contain the carbon-carbon double bond. Fourth rule is that branched chain and other groups are treated as a naming of alkanes. Name the substituent group and designate its position on the parent chain with its number. For example, ethyl group is attached to the carbon number 4 and ethyl group is a substituent, and therefore you have to start the numbering from one end which contains the carbon-carbon double bond, and carbon number 4 contains ethyl as a substituent, and therefore indicate their position, that is 4 ethyl carbon-carbon double bond present in between 1 and 2, and therefore 1 octane. Name of this compound is 4-ethyl 1-octane. Next, a compound with more than one double bonds are present. They are designated as diene, triene, tetraene, and therefore it contains 2 double bonds, it contains 3 double bonds, it contains 4 double bonds, and therefore these are designated as diene, triene, tetraene. Let us consider 1,3-butadiene. It contains 2 double bonds in carbon number 1 and 2 and carbon number 3 and 4, and therefore this is 1,2-butadiene. The next example is 1,3,5-heptatriene. 3 double bonds are there, and therefore triene, therefore triene. Next example is 1,3,5,7 cyclooctatetraene. This is cyclic compounds and 4 double bonds are there, and therefore the name of this IUPAC name of this compound is 1,3,5,7 cyclooctatetraene. Now there are some cycloalkanes are there which contain the carbon-carbon double bond, and these are designated as, first is cyclopropene, cyclobutene, cyclopentene, cyclohexene for cyclohexene. Nomenclature of cycloalkanes is similar to the simpler alkenes. Let us consider one example. Methyl group present at carbon number 1, and therefore carbon number 1 and 2 contain carbon-carbon double bond, and there is a 6 carbon chain, and therefore 1 methyl cyclohexene. Now it contains also 2 substituents in the carbon at the carbon number 1 and carbon number 5, and therefore it contains 1,5-dimethyl cyclopentene. A compound with more than one double bonds are there. Physical properties of the alkanes, boiling points and densities. This is first physical property. Most physical properties of alkanes are similar to those of alkanes. Let us consider example: boiling points of 1-butene and 6-butene. Trans-2-butene and N-butene are close to 0 degrees Celsius. Density of alkenes are around 0.6 to 0.7 gram per centimeter cube. Because here density of alkenes are lower than water, then the density of water is 1, but the alkenes are lower denser than water. Boiling point of alkane increase smoothly with increase in molecular weight, because boiling point increases with increase in molecular weight. Branched chain alkenes have lower boiling point because the molecule becomes spherical and surface area available for intermolecular forces are very weak, and therefore there is a decrease in boiling point with increase in molecular weight. Next is polarity. Alkenes are non-polar compounds, and these are insoluble in water because water is polar, but soluble in non-polar solvents such as hexane, gasoline, halogenated solvents, and ethers. Alkene Alkyl groups are electron donating towards the double bond, helping to stabilize it. And this donating group polarizes the phenylic bond. This is phenylic bond, polarizes phenylic bond. This is a carbon-carbon double bond, phenylic bond, polarizes this bond because the methyl groups are electron donating groups, and it bears the small positive charge on the carbon atom of CH3 group and small negative charge on the carbon atom of the alkene group. For example, propene has small dipole moment, that is 0.35. This is dipole moment 0.35. This is propylene. This is cis-2-butene and this is trans-2-butene. Next is, first example is cis-2-butene and second is trans-2-butene. Cis-butene shows the 0.33 dipole moment and trans-butene shows 0 dipole moment, because here these dipole moments are directed to the perpendicular to the carbon-carbon double bond, and therefore dipole moment of this cis-2-butene is 0.33 dBi. But in case of trans-2-butene, both groups are present on the opposite side of the carbon-carbon double bond, and therefore dipole moment of one CH2 group is cancelled with another CH2 group, and therefore dipole moment of trans-2-butene is 0. Thank you.